right?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you gotta it takes a second to get comfortable. Yeah, find your spot. Did you find it? No. All right, honestly, like, you gotta move around some of the stuffing. Take a moment, yeah. Welcome, Sarah, to Snapchat's Gimme Lore.
Yay.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Pretty good. I usually like to start the show with a very easy question, and that is, what is your lore?
I feel like there's not much lore to me. I love cats. I have my master's degree. Love to work out.
Okay.
That's what I do on the internet. That's how I started, was from working out.
You've done some of the biggest collabs. What's the one thing you've learned from working with so many different personalities?
Usually, they are exactly how they are off camera, which is cool to see.
So you go on a lot of dates with a lot of content creators.
Sure.
Which one has been the most chaotic?
Chaotic? Should I share that on the internet?
Is it hard to keep your online and personal life separated?
I feel like 90% of my life is on the internet anyways, but like...
You don't really have a filter when it comes to posting? Yeah.
I don't really feel... I think that's why I'm scared of cancel culture, because there's not really a filter.
But Snapchat is a great place to just be your authentic self.
Yeah, it is. You can just upload whatever, whenever.
Exactly. What's the most meaningful thing a follower has ever said to you about your fitness journey?
Oh, a girl came up to me and she was like, honestly, I love how you stick to your morals and you always stay true to yourself. That just came to mind. But yeah, it was really nice.
Oh, that's cool.
That, and also when people tell me I motivated them to go to the gym.
That's awesome. You're literally like helping encourage people to live better, healthier lives.
Yeah, those are like the best compliments.
Yeah, no, totally. That's really cool. What was the dream you were studying for before the gym went viral?
I wanted to be a therapist. I like to listen to other people's problems and avoid my own.
There. What was the most normal job you had outside of your career in media?
I used to tutor and like babysit.
Oh, no.
I would say that was pretty normal. I used to work at restaurants. Well, I used to cater weddings. It was not fun. It was like 12-hour shifts. It was actually hell.
What's one interest or hobby you have that doesn't fit the Muscle Mommy brand at all?
I like golf.
You're a good golfer?
I only play twice a year probably, but I'm really good for the 2 times I do play.
Okay. What is the one thing that intimidates you that no one would expect?
Holding eye contact for a prolonged period of time.
Really?
Yeah.
Fair, eye contact.
Yeah,
contact.
I've looked away a few times from you.
What thoughts do you have when you're alone?
Why am I alone? Should I get up and do something? And then it usually results to no, I should probably just lay in bed and doom scroll.
That's fair. But sometimes you gotta stop the doom scroll.
No, you need to.
Yeah.
But then I think about it and I decide not to, usually.
We're gonna play a little mini game, Memories Roulette. What is this?
Oh, I remember that. I was inside Sprouts in Port St. Lucie, Florida. And that's Vaughn Walker to the left. I don't know what I was doing to the Jellycat though.
And where are you at, but also, great fit.
Thank you. Okay, so there's these guys that I always film with, Chicos Toxicos, and they had brought me this mariachi outfit.
Gonna buy my mom a car, or I can put it all on black. Did you use it or lose it?
No, I'm kidding. My mom said we'd lose all the money, Sarah, if you go to gamble it. So I was like, okay, car it is.
Who won?
This was the best thing ever. I slapped him hard. That was Power Slap 2 in Las Vegas, actually. That was one of the best nights of my life. Not because I slapped that man, but he was really nice.
That is our little game.
That was fun.
Before we end the show, I have to ask you one last question.
Yes.
What is the lore you want to be remembered as?
Like, she was really nice to everyone and entertaining and funny and a good person. Or like also like, oh, she was super jacked. If a day goes by and I don't work out or I don't have a good workout, like today I didn't have a good workout and it like ruined my day.
Really?
And I work out in the morning, so it sets the precedent for my day.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Well, I hope this has been...
No, this has been amazing.
Okay,
You're great. You're great.
We should definitely take a photo together.
Let's do it.
A Polaroid. Gimme Lore.
Gimme Lore.
Oh, it's so cute.
Let me see. Oh, that's fire.
Right?
I like it.
You can use this.
Me being nosy, seeing who else you have.
Yeah, right? Sarah, that's it.
Fire.
Thanks for coming to Gimme Lore.
That was fun.
It was super
Thank you.
fun. Yeah.
I had a great time.
Well,
bye, guys.
Next time.